This video demonstrates how to install an Aurora Rapid 5 cm column into the HeatSync Rapid column housing. Refer to the Ion Optics Help Center for a full list of compatible UHPLCs and mass spectrometers. Listed here are the products featured in this video. Remove the protective cap from the HeatSync column housing. Unscrew the black restraining fitting at the base of the housing. To protect the emitter during the installation process, it is essential that the beige protective sleeve is not retracted at any time. One of the unique design features of the HeatSync column housing is its automatic sleeve retraction during insertion. There is no requirement by the user to expose the emitter during insertion. Holding the column using the shipping plug, carefully lower the column through the installation slot, paying attention not to damage the emitter. Once the column is in the housing barrel, the protective sleeve is aligned with the retraction feature. Push the column forward, ensuring the Nano Zero fitting's horizontal face is aligned with the middle of the installation slot. Push the column further forward using the shipping plug, ensuring the Nano Zero fitting is fully received by the alignment feature. The emitter will now protrude through the peak tip holder of the housing. Remove the shipping plug from the column. Reinstall the restraining fitting into the base of the housing, securing the column in place. Holding the housing firmly, screw the nanoViper or other capillary line into the Nano Zero fitting, finger tight until you reach a firm stop. The column is now installed in the HeatSync housing and is ready for operation. This section demonstrates how to remove the Aurora Rapid 5 cm column from the HeatSync Rapid column housing. Remove the nanoViper line from the Nano Zero fitting. Reinstall the shipping plug into the Nano Zero fitting. If you plan to store the column for an extended period, we recommend adding 30 microliters of methanol into the Nano Zero before reinstalling the shipping plug. Carefully grip the shipping plug and slightly withdraw the column from the housing barrel. Once the entire column is visible through the installation slot, carefully lift the column up through the slot, paying careful attention not to damage the emitter. Slide the beige protective sleeve back over the emitter. The column can now be stored, and the HeatSync column housing is ready for its next use.